Hello everybody, it's the Mass 33 here, and today I just want to do a video on Blaze. He's my giant snow blizzard. There you go. He's really cute. And then Amira, she has the albino genes, so she doesn't like having her eyes open in the daytime. Blaze, sorry about that guys, Blaze sometimes can be a little reckless. But I put them two together, a super snow blizzard and a Tremper albino blazing blizzard, and see what we could get for this season. I'm not really trying to do too much, but this season I put them together. Okay? Give me a second, I'll get a better angle on both of them. It's a good little dude. Never gave me any problems. Good eater since the day I got him. My hands are a little shaky. I'm trying to balance two geckos. One that's an albino, so she's trying to hide all day. And my boy right here, Blaze, is just really chill. Tell me what you guys think about this pair. Let me know. Peace and love you guys.